this video, we will show you how to use frames in Canva. Using frames in Canva, similar is Power Clip in the image editor. You can insert the image inside the frames. How to do that and how to use the frames in Canva? Just create a presentation or another project. Okay, for example, I'm create a presentation. To using frames, you can just go to Elements and select frames. In here, for our tutorial, we can find one frames. Okay, for example, let's select this frame. You can select another frame if you like. Okay, for example, I make this frame bigger, and after that we can upload the image, and we can upload the image. Okay, I will have this image, and after the image is uploaded, we can just click on the image. To insert the image inside the frames, we can just drag and drop like this. Okay, this is the basic method. To edit the position of your image, you can just click your frames here and select edit. Okay, you can see. To detach the image or make the image outside from the frame again, you can just detach the image like this. Okay, to insert again, you can just drag and drop like this. And to adjust the image position, okay, for example, you can just click your frames and choose edit. And after that, in here we can make our picture, okay, suitable with we need. For example, I'm make this image is appear full on hair. Okay, then we can click apply change. You can see we can also using this predefined fit and fill. For example, if using fit, you can see the appearance will look like this, and for the fill, you can see the result is look like this. And on the flip, we can flip our image. For example, vertical, we can click apply, and also horizontal, we can click apply again. Okay, but this is not have the effect because the current picture is actually can see the big impact with vertical flip, and click apply change after that. And that's all tutorial how to use frames in Canva. If you have any questions, you can fill in the comments comment below, and thanks for watching.